Great. My name is Madhukar Phatak, and we call our meetup as Bangalore Apache Spark Meetup. Right, I just give you some idea. Okay. Now, if you've been to, okay, how many of you been to any Hadoop meetups before? Anyone of you? Okay, few of you. Anyone of you been to any other Spark meetup? Okay. So there are a lot of meetups out there. So I just tell you what is our focus is on. Right? We are the, I think, only second Spark only meetup in Bangalore, and this is our focus. We focus on hands-on and code sessions. Compared to other meetups, there is a huge focus on we want to do hands-ons in the meetup itself. Right? That's the one focus. There is an incentive for people attending regularly. So the idea here is that every meetup, it's kind of a new addition to the already launched things. Right, so we do some introductions, but there will be some advanced talks also, so that if people are attending regularly, they will get some more benefits for compared to the people who are not maybe coming first time or those kind of things. But don't worry, how many of you seen videos? Right, so if you are not coming, so the idea we are trying to catch up is that we put out the videos so that you can see these videos, so that when you come to a meetup, you can catch up. Or again, or if you want to go back and re-see the things, you can do that. So that is the thing. There is a mixture of beginners and advanced talks we do. It's not only the introduction always, because then it will become boring for both the speakers and the audience. We do both beginners talks, and we also do some advanced talks. And we are community driven. We are not tied up to any company per se, and different companies host every time, right? So UR is great enough to just give the place and food. We just go and host there, right? So that is the overall thing. Next. So just to give an update, because there are people who are coming multiple times, like where we are from the day one. We have around 600 plus members on the meetup in last 3 months. So we are really growing fast comparatively. We have hosted, this is the 4th meetup we are doing. So every month, last week of the month, we are hosting one meetup at a time. We have 2 major companies sponsoring for the meetups. We hosted 3 times in the APIG. This time Huawei came forward and they are hosting us here, and there are a lot of other companies also want to host us. So if you are coming from a company and if you want to host us, just let me know, right? So we can come to your office and also host. We have good attendance actually, so normally our strength is like around 40 plus people, right? And we have good quality talks. So that's kind of an idea we wanted to give. We have some ideas about the community, and since people are here, of course we will discuss this in the longer term in email, and all the facilities are given by the meetup group. So what we are thinking is that we have some unique position as a community here, and can we leverage those things as we go forward. So I think a lot of people coming from different companies or different background. I'm just putting out these ideas out here. And if you have any ideas, you can come to me or any of the organizers and say, we have some ideas for in the future meetups. Of course, we are always looking for more topics, more speakers, and those kind of things. Now here, what we are trying to look for is that, for example, we are one of the only meetup who are not directly tied to a company. Now, why we are putting out here is that so that we can collaborate with the multiple companies. So what we are seeing in India is Spark is still not so much publicly out. People speak, right? It's like if you go to most of the meetups, it's still a Hadoop, Cassandra, or HBase. That's what we hear. But as we see, there seems to be more and more companies really using Spark inside, right? I didn't know that Huawei is using, and they have a contributor like one Banpack. I am using Spark from last 2 years, but we are discovering more and more companies are really using these things. So what is the idea is that as a having the meetup platform to bring together all those companies over a time and say, okay, whatever they have contributing to the community or whatever they are using inside their thing, they can come forward and share. Right? So we are thinking, okay, we have a unique opportunity to say, let us go out and let us bring back all the people who you know or we know, just to say that, can we bring them and have more sessions, or we kind of host the sessions there or something. So that's what one thing I came to me. Second is, of course, we are looking for more community driven this time. I think Huawei 3 speakers came along and they give a session. And one more thing I have a request is that, of course, if we are going to host in other places, I request you to come there also give sessions, not just restrict your sessions on just for Huawei thing, because we appreciate that thing. This is one thing I'm thinking, this is my idea again, if you have some other ideas, so we want to bring the companies, at least here in Bangalore, who are using Spark into this platform so that we have a bigger community here. Because as of now, the Spark is just a part of a big data community per se, but I'm thinking Spark will be as much powerful as a Hadoop over a time. So we want more and more, if you have information about, if you say, okay, I know this company is using Spark or whatever information, it will be great if you share so that we can kind of chase those company people and say, okay, can you come out and give a session? I have talked to a few companies, like we already talked to Huawei, I'm also talking to Qubole and few other companies, okay, we have a Spark inside and most of them are contributors. So we want them to come out and give some more sessions. And of course, we are exclusively focusing on Spark. The reason is that for other things, there are more meetups, right? But here, exclusively Spark do not mean that only Spark libraries, anything Spark touches, right from Zookeeper to all underneath things, all the data sources, all qualify. So that's going to be our strength. Of course, so I was talking in the morning is that, yeah, we are more of a technology driven rather than business driven. I think that's also reflected in the Huawei things, right? They do not take how we exactly sell these things. So they say, okay, this is how we do technology wise, and that's what it is. So that's going to be our focus. So this is kind of a thing we are thinking. Next, yeah. So what is the thing we are planning in the future? So of course we want to do a monthly meetup. That's kind of a thing we are doing from last few months now. We are going to continue that by the support of the people. But these are the few ideas I was thinking over a time, and I just wanted to put out here. And if someone want to do it, or if they say, okay, this is a good idea, we can look up. For example, how many of been a part of a hackathon some point of time? Okay, so I enjoy hackathons. There will be the hackathons for big data, and there is a hackathon slot for a specific product company kind of stuff. But there is not seen any hackathon which is exclusive for Spark. So idea here is that you come up with a problem with the data, and you say use whatever the Spark library. So the idea of hackathon is to bringing together all the developers who are interested in Spark, that kind of thing, and also encouraging a way to say if they never tried Spark before, it's kind of a chance to say let us do some hands-on for overnight or whatever it is. Then they will get a feel, okay, how the Spark works. Because I remember when we inside a company, when we started a Spark, it came along like we were participating in a hackathon and we wanted to win. And if we use the Hadoop, we cannot solve the problem in 24 hours. So then that's why we went into Spark and say, okay, that solved the problem completely and we won the prize. And we said, okay, why we have to go back to Hadoop anymore, right? Let's do Spark. It's like 2 years back. So I think at least it gives an idea like how exactly it is. And also in India, I think there's, as of now, I know there's only one big data conference done by Hasdeep, right? Okay, for you guys, there is one more information. There is a 5th Elephant conference coming in July, which is exclusively focused on big data, right? So just search in the internet. And if you are wise to search now, because you may get early bird tickets, right? So that's the one. But there is no yet conference purely on Spark, because in US there is Spark Summit run by Databricks. So here, idea here is that the way we want to do conference is not really the conference are done. There is an idea called bar camp. So what is a bar camp is that you come up with the sessions in the morning. It is open to anyone. And the community votes which session you want, that kind of a thing. And we will have parallel tracks, right? Saying, okay, if people want to see, so like let's say Spark SQL, like if 10 people votes, then that session will go to that author. So it's not around the idea that the person has to come from a company or sponsor will give the session or those kind of things. It's fully open. It's purely community driven. I am not saying this is a new idea. This is already done by other people. What I am thinking is that we just adopt that idea for Spark. Like maybe a great thing. So we may. So the idea is that maybe we'll do a conference in like 6 months or a year, which is an open developer-oriented conference, which is not really a kind of a other conference. Of course, there was an idea put around last few meetups that do we want to do a little bit regular meetups. So we, as of now, we are following a monthly kind of a thing. Of course, we want to do regular meetups provided that there are more talk and more speakers. So that's also you can think about. And also Spark evangelism, right? I do a lot of consulting myself, and I evangelize a lot of Spark. And I'm not sure how inside a company they are evangelizing the Spark for the different teams, and how they are evangelizing like Spark for the customers. So if you can collaborate even the evangelizing, of course it will benefit as a community, because whoever is putting effort on Spark, they get to know, okay, where the people are coming from and those kind of things. So there are a few ideas. To execute the ideas, what we need, next. Right, so we need hosts like Hawaii and other companies, of course, because we need a place. I run a company virtual, like I am running from home, so I don't have a place. We need a sponsors if you want to do a conference kind of a thing, at least place and food and those kind of things, so not a big deal I'm thinking, but of course we need a lot of speakers, that's what I'm urging from the community. Whenever we host in a company, normally they give some speakers, but I also urging other companies, people also come over to other people place and say, give some more talks. Yeah, of course we are looking for more and more good venues. I think we are actually very lucky to get better venues compared to other meetups. Of course, if we want to do the hackathon or conference, we may need more help in organizing. Because as of now, since it is meetup, we are able to handle in 2-3 people. But if we are do it in a larger scale, if any help in organizing will be great. Right. So this is some of the ideas I'm just putting here. You can think it over and you can come to me and say, okay, you like some idea. You may have some more ideas. So what I'm thinking is that we may have a unique opportunity to make it a little bit larger scale, where we can reach maybe I think more and more community people, because it seems to be that a lot of people are using Spark or want to use a Spark, but there are not yet more avenues to come out and talk about it and understand. So Meetup is a very small avenue we are trying out, but I think we can do it in a bigger scale where we bring that consciousness, okay, you can use a Spark in a better way, and a lot of people are already using it. I think if we give that kind of thing, more and more people want to jump into Spark and maybe adopt it. So that's the overall idea here. Okay, so I think that's all before the lunch. Thank you for coming, and have enjoy the food, and maybe we'll meet next time.